Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. Today's video is about how to prepare a sunken bed. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. But before that, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting on the subscribe button down below and also on the bell to get a new video released. So a sunken bed is actually the opposite of the raised bed, where the dark soil is taken away from the pit, leaving a hole in the soil, than heaping it up like the raised bed. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video on how to prepare a sunken bed. So and that is it for preparing. That is all for preparing a sunken bed. You just dig into the soil and you remove the dark soil away from the soil, leaving a hole in the soil, and that is a sunken bed. And with this, the irrigated water can get straight to the roots without spilling away and the others. So let me show you how it is done. So after preparing your raised bed, you can now sow in either your seed or maybe a transplant of any plant you want to put inside. So let's assume this is the plant I want to put inside. So this is the plant I want to put inside. So after putting it inside like this, you now provide the water for the plant. And see, the water did not get anywhere. Like, let's assume this is a bare soil, or like if we had not prepared the sunken bed and this is our plant and this is our plant. Pouring the water here, so it wouldn't stay. It will run off. So like with this one, the water can take time and drain. So that is all for preparing a sunken bed. If you enjoyed watching the video, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, do so and enjoy more videos on gardening and farming. Thank you for watching, and I hope to probably see you in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.